Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Comrades of Warfare. Today, this month, we're doing another unboxing video. So let's get through it. Let's go to the smaller packages first. They've been sitting here since beginning of January. Alright, so let's open the smallest one up. Okay. I got this from eBay, so let's see how it turned out. Oh, it's got packaged well. I've never seen this kind of packaging before. There we go. So this right here, I'll show you guys a picture of it, is the World War II French fortress units in the Maginot Line. And this is their badge that they wore on their beret. On the front it says, on ne passe pas, they shall not pass, something like that. They won't pass, they shall not pass, something like that it says. So pretty neat can, a little turret. So yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. These two, I've seen different colors of. I'll try in a second. Okay. So this here is a French beret. I bought two of them. That's what's in this one. So yeah. I've seen both colors of this beret worn by the soldiers of the Maginot Line. I wasn't sure which one to get, so I got both. Look at how the other one looks. Oh, this is dark. This is really dark. Okay. So this is this beret. It's a lot darker than I expected. It's a bit too dark. We're gonna have to go for this one then. This one is a bit too dark. Oh well. Okay. So let's move on to the big box. Okay. Alright. Packaging material. Okay, let's take this out. So this right here is a WW1 German gas bag before they developed the other gas mask bags, which is this right here, which my gas mask is currently inside. This was used before 1916, I think it was 1914. Not even 1915 used these, but they couldn't use these anymore because they were getting damaged over time in the trenches. So they went to the metal canister, metal can they used. So yeah, that's. Okay. Next we got some gloves I bought for the winter time for filming. These are core surplus, something like that it said. So yeah, we'll gloves, keep my hands warm. So. Okay. Next we have is this collar necktie to protect the tunic from moving your head around, won't wear it out. So you would put this around and it wouldn't wear it out. Even though this collar here should help anyway, so. But it was a couple of euros, so I got it anyways. Could come in handy. Now I'll show you guys one more time. Yeah. Okay, next we have this Panzer overseas cap. Unfortunately, I bought the wrong one. I was supposed to buy an officer one that had this gold lace around it, silver lacing around it. Yeah, I bought the wrong one. It's okay. It works fine. I'll buy the correct one some other time. Yeah, this is that. Okay. Next, we have the big items. First, we're going to open up these pants, these trousers. So, as you can see, these are the trousers. These are stone gray 1907 Prussian trousers. So yeah, here they are. Of course, the front model. Okay, now for the final piece. The 1907 1910 Feldrock. Whoa. Yeah, the Feldrock. Let's open up. Whoa, it's pretty cool. Huh, I like it. So yeah, this is. That's it. This was used until mid-1915 when the Germans developed the other one, the other tunic, and 15 tunic, and this was replaced because to cut down on production time and price. On the back now is you can see these little flaps in the back which do split open. So yeah, it's kind of heavy, geez. It has the König's crown on there. So yeah, I like it. Whew. A lot of stuff, a lot of big stuff. Yeah, so that's it for today. Oh, yeah, one more thing. The sleeves. Yeah, that is it for today's unboxing video. Hope you guys liked it. Short, fast. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. I'm going to be using this one in my videos coming in the next few months when the lockdown ends here in Europe, or at least in France and Germany. I'll be wearing this to a historical World War I battlefield. I'm not going to say where, but it's going to be real interesting. So yeah, it's going to probably be a 2 or 3 part series. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you like what you saw, subscribe. I'll be doing these unboxing videos every single month. up until the end of this year, and then next year I'll see how it's gonna work. But yeah, we have big plans for this year. Going to historical locations. This month we're going to a bunker hunting video we're doing. So we're doing that. March is kind of up in the air depending on how long the lockdowns last. I don't know. So we'll see. And yeah, thanks for coming by. So thanks for watching. Bye.